To set Samsung keyboard transparency in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select language and input. Tap on screen keyboard. Tap Samsung keyboard. And then select style and layout. Select size and transparency. And then on transparency, drag transparency bar to the right to transparent, or drag to the left to solid color. You can also place the floating keyboard over the image to check the transparency. Drag the handles in the sides of the keyboard to adjust its size. Okay, and then tap done. Or you can also set Samsung keyboard transparency from Samsung keyboard. Open up need keyboard, for example Google, and then select keyboard settings icon, and then tap style and layout, tap size and transparency, and then drag to the right or to the left to adjust transparency, and then tap done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.